Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make the most adorable ice cream sundae cupcakes. Perfect for parties, celebrations, or just a sweet treat that will wow your guests, and these are super simple to make. In this video, I'll also show you my personal tips on how to make moist, delicious cupcakes using a box mix. You're going to need cupcake tins and liners, your favorite cupcake mix, 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, and half a cup of oil. To decorate, we'll need brown candy coating, your sprinkles of choice, and a little cherry topping. You can use a real maraschino cherry, or in our case today, I'll be adding a candy detail using a red Sixlet. Now that we've lined our pans, let's put our cake ingredients together. Now that everything is mixed up, using an ice cream scoop, I fill my liners about 2/3 of the way. My oven is preheated to 325 and I'll be putting them in for about 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, I do a toothpick test, and if it's still a little wet, I pop it back in for another minute or two. One major tip of mine when using box mix is you do not want to overbake them. The box will tell you 19 to 23 minutes, and that is completely wrong. You will overbake them and they will be dry. Another cupcake tip I can give you is you want to remove them from the hot pan immediately out of the oven to prevent them from continuing to bake and potentially drying out as well. Taking them out allows them to cool down and stop cooking. Now that our cupcakes are cooled, let's set up our box and get to decorating. I'll drop the link for these boxes below. To decorate, you can use store-bought frosting, but if you want to learn how to make buttercream, let's get into it. You'll need 4 sticks of butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and I also add heavy whipping cream, roughly a little more than 3/4 cup, and then about 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now we're going to take our piping bag and round piping tip. This one is numbered 809. I can drop the link below as well. To fill your bag, use a tall cup and place the bag inside, folding the top edge of the bag down. Now scoop in your filling. To prevent overfilling, only go about 2/3 of the way and squeeze to push the frosting down. Start from the middle and squeeze outward in a circular motion, creating kind of like a soft serve effect. Once your cupcakes are frosted, we're going to go ahead and heat up our chocolate coating. Once we've got our chocolate heated, let's go ahead and create that chocolate syrup effect. Here I'm giving my wrist a few taps to smooth everything out. Then we're going to go ahead and add our sprinkles. And now for the cherry on top. And there you have it! Irresistibly cute ice cream sundae cupcakes. Hope you had fun baking with me, and remember, the fun is in the details. Thanks for watching!